Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I was able to get most of the cars in the queue case. So we will be unboxing this in the upcoming 2 weeks. So let's start with this. So this is a Dodge van and here is the Daytona Coupe. Bumblebee, see this color, this glittery golden of this Bumblebee looks a bit different. I mean, it's not true to any of the Bumblebee's colors, but does look really good. McLaren F1, Porsche Carrera. So this is a treasure hunt in this particular box. See, unfortunately, I was not able to get any STH because a lot of scalpers out there, they took everything. So as of now, I record as the day I'm recording this video. So in Chennai, in a shop called Crossword, they got like more than 10 boxes. So all these boxes are scalped by literally one set of people. I don't know who they are. I don't want to take their names. So they also told openly that they did. So so I'm not sure, these are just toys, man. You need to treat toys as toys, not like if you are planning to, bring, build your livelihood based on a toy, then especially like, by scalping, if you're doing it as a legitimate business, then it's fine, but not as a, you know, illegitimate thing like this, like scalping and all. So for rest of the guys, who supported me throughout all this, ruckus which happened, and whoever is still with me, thank you so much. And whoever watching this video till now, thanks for everything. And again, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.